Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session we are going to see how to use AGI script in Asterisk on Oracle Linux 9.3. The Asterisk Gateway Interface, AGI, serves as a connection point between the Asterisk dialplan and an external program seeking to interact with a channel within the dialplan. This interface typically operates in a synchronous manner, meaning that actions performed on a channel from an AGI block will not conclude until the action has been fully executed. Check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.3. I have already installed Asterisk on my Oracle Linux machine. Now I am going to check the status of the Asterisk by using the following command. Asterisk service is already running and active. Now change the directory to Asterisk default AGI directory by using the following command. List the directory by using the following command. Create a new file using Vim editor by using the following command. Add those following lines. Save and exit from the file. Now give the execute permission to the file by using the following command. Change the directory to the Asterisk configuration directory by using the following command. Add those following lines. Save and exit from the file. Log into the Asterisk CLI mode by using the following command. After the changes in the extensions.conf file, need to reload the dialplan by using the following command. Now try to make call by using Zoiper and microsip software. This is 167 extensions. This is 168 extensions. Now try to make call from 167 to 168. Now the call is working fine. This is the process to use AGI script on Asterisk on Oracle Linux 9.3. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.